Well, that looks weird, but also weirdly accurate. You see, a cabin filter is basically like a face mask for your car. You wouldn't reuse a dirty face mask, so let's get that cabin air filter changed in 4 super easy steps. Here's what you'll need: gloves, safety glasses, a can of aircon cleaner, some basic hand tools, and the filter, of course. Step 1. Choose a filter. But which filter? The Supercheap Auto My Garage feature will help you decide. Pop in your rego, search cabin filters, and you'll see a selection of suitable replacements. You can choose a basic filter for dust and pollen, or more advanced filters to capture pollutants and even some airborne viruses. Step 2. Time to find where the filter goes. On many vehicles, the cabin air filter is located behind or just below the glove box. On others, access could be through the engine bay. If it's not immediately obvious, your owner's manual will reveal all you need to know. This is where you may need those basic hand tools, but if you're lucky, you'll just have to pop a cover off and pull the old filter out. Now on to step 3. There are probably all kinds of bugs, leaves and schmutz in there, so pinch the vacuum cleaner from the house and clear that out. Leave the new filter out for now, close up the filter box, and following the instructions on the packaging, set the can of aircon cleaner loose. This will kill any mold, spores or bacteria lurking in the system and take care of any bad smells. You don't want to be in there while it's at work, so stand back and wait for step 4, replacing the filter. Smells good. Now you can pop the brand new filter in. Some filters have a right and a wrong side up. There'll be a marking on your filter to help you get it right. Snap everything back together and enjoy a deep breath. You've just made the very air itself super. Find this and many more super DIYs in detail on the Supercheap Auto website.